Hello and welcome to our new Summer Experience 2021 online registration system powered by CampBrain. In this video today, we will be sharing a brief tutorial and step-by-step walkthrough of the registration process. We hope you will find this helpful when it comes time for you to register. So let's go ahead and get started. After clicking on the registration link provided via email or on our website, you will be taken to this login page. For this first year, most individuals will need to create an account with the new user sign-up. Please note you will not be able to create this new account until registration opens. Now, if you are a Columbus Academy academic year family, you can use your Columbus Academy My School app login so you don't have yet another username and password to remember. So if we scroll down a bit here, this is where you can find that login button. Now, CA families can also choose to use this new user sign up if you would like to create a separate login for this purpose. So we will simply type our name, email, and password, which you can see I have already done here, and then click Create Account. Now this may not pop up for everyone, but if it does for you, go ahead and select the images they are asking for to prove you're a human and click Verify. And next we arrive at the Welcome or Home page, and you will see that for each part of the registration process, there are detailed instructions found at the top of the page. We want to start a new application, so we will scroll down a bit and then click on Start Application. Next, we come to the instructions page. Please be sure to read through this carefully when you are registering, and then you will scroll down to click Continue. Here is where the actual registration steps begin. Step 1, select people for registration. To register a new camper, we are going to click on Add a Child. You will be asked to enter their name, birth date, gender, and rising grade, which is the grade they'll be entering next school year. If you have more than one child, we would just click on Add a Child again and repeat the process. So as you can see, you can register more than one child at once. As we go along, I'll show you. You just have to make sure that the checkbox is by each child that you wish to register, and you'll be able to tab between them in the different parts of the registration process. For time purposes, I'm going to switch over and click on another tab where I have this information already input. So again, we just want to make sure that these checkboxes are selected. Now, if for any reason we would only want to register one child, say we're logging back in just to add a program for one student, just be sure to deselect the child that you do not want to add programs for, and then you would be able to continue on. However, in this case, I do want to sign up both children, so make sure they're both selected, and then once you've added all your campers, we are going to scroll down and click Continue. Step 2 is selecting sessions. For each child you are registering, only the programs available for their grade will be visible on this page. If you're registering more than one child, simply click on their name to tab back and forth to select their programs. I will also point out a few other features on this page. There is a filter by drop-down where if you click on that, you can search by the session week. If you know the program titles that you want to register for, you can input them here to search by name. If you want to view the class descriptions for all of the programs, just click on Expand All, and those will become visible. We're going to collapse that for now. So to add a program, you're going to click on the program name followed by the green Add to Cart button. So let's say I know that I want to register just for session 3. So first I'm going to filter by that, and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to click on the program name I want to add, and then I'm going to click on Add to Cart. Once you've added the program to your cart, you will see additional required fields below that will need to be answered before your selection will be complete. In most cases, that's going to be selecting your schedule day. Now you'll notice here, even if the program is only offered in full day, you will still have to select that by adding it to your cart. So I'm going to click on that. And also, if you need aftercare, this would be where you add that to your schedule. So I need that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Now I want to register my other child for session 3, so I'm going to click on Mina's name, and I'm going to find the program I want to register her for. And again, you're going to click on the program title name, click on Add to Cart, and then I need to select my schedule day option. Here you can see there's both full day and half plus. I'm going to add to cart for full day. And then I also need aftercare, so I'm going to click on Add to Cart. Once everything has been added to your cart, you're going to scroll down and click on Continue. Step 3 is filling out forms. In this step, you will be asked to complete a few mandatory forms. As you can see, each form will have an open form button to click on. Then you will complete the required information, and at the bottom of every form, there is a Complete This Form button to click on. Some forms are required to be filled out for each child you are registering, and as you can see, for time purposes, I have gone ahead and completed all of these forms. One noteworthy mention is the medical form will not be required to be a part of registration this year. In order to allow ample time and attention for you to do this form, we will make this available at a later date. So once I've completed all of my forms, I'm going to scroll down and click Continue. Step 4, choose a payment option. Instructions and policies are outlined at the top of this page. Please read through it carefully and then scroll down until you see Select Your Payment option. You will want to click on the open circle next to the option you wish to choose, and then you're going to scroll down. Please note if you're paying by credit card or ACH, you will then need to click on the appropriate open circle there as well, and then you'll click on Continue. Let's say I want to pay by paper check that I will be mailing in. I will click on the appropriate circle and then again scroll down, and you're ready to click on Continue. Step 5, we are almost done. This allows you to review and then submit your application. So please read through the information carefully and make sure everything is accurate. If you would need to make any changes, you can see there are edit tabs as well as add and remove sessions or add and remove people. So you can use any of those tabs if appropriate, but our registration is good to go. So I am going to scroll down, and the very important step, don't forget to click on Submit Application. And this brings us to the final page, which lets us know our application has been submitted. You will also receive a confirmation email as well. To make sure that this doesn't go to a spam or junk folder, we recommend that you please add summer_experience@columbusacademy.org to your contacts, address book, or list of safe senders. That concludes our video. We hope that you have found this helpful, and we cannot wait to see you this summer. If you have any questions at any time, please don't hesitate to contact us at summer_experience@columbusacademy.org or 614-509-2267.